Hello there, Mila Lansdowne, and I'm smiling bright because I like to share with you a thought or idea or something which is my personal philosophy as entrepreneur, and I find it very fulfilling. So I would like to share it with you. I will use my iPad and do a little drawing to bring it to expression the way I see our life can work in very satisfactory way. And as a creative entrepreneurs, we are in this flow, and how I see us. And let me share this. Um, this is us, okay? Smiling, happy, we have arms, and we love what we do. Now, we create products and services that we give to the world. People are enriched, and we receive monetary reward. With that reward, we grow our capacity to serve. We serve more, world gets enriched larger, and we create larger benefits and grow again. And this is how I see the circulation and fulfilling life. This is fulfillment and success. And it's so much fun. And this is what I wish for you, and some hair. So this is it. I'll stop share. And I just thought I'll share it with you. Think about it, because many of us have a problem in receiving. And when we see how we, by receiving, we can grow and serve even larger, then I think it's more fun. The success comes much more easy, and we have a sense of mission and build our vision. So this is my wish for you: a fulfilling, deeply fulfilling life of success, happiness, joy. Make your dreams come true. Thank you so much for watching.